Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're here at the Spa Valley Railway and we're here for a special event we're doing. Now all I'm going to say in this is, they say you shouldn't meet your heroes. Let's see how this goes.
You will find, you will find. Listen and walk in, you will find. Music is everywhere.
So they say you should never meet your idols, and yet here I am with Sir Topham and Hatt. It's nice to meet yourself.
It's lovely to meet you.
Thank you very much. So how is the island of Sodor doing?
Well, the island of Sodor is doing very well. We left this morning to come here.
Yes, and
we brought Thomas with us.
And how is Thomas performing today?
Thomas is performing beautifully.
Yes.
He's behaved himself. He's been really useful all day long. I don't think he's actually put a foot wrong. I haven't had to waggle my finger at anything today.
And even that naughty diesel at the other end of the train?
No, the naughty diesel's been well behaved.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and so have all the passengers. So we have had no confusion or delay.
Confusion or delay, that's what we like to hear.
Absolutely.
Yeah, well, it's been lovely meeting you.
Well, wonderful to see you.
And I hope to visit Sodor one day.
Indeed.
Thank you. So when you come into Tunbridge Wells West Station, guys, you are greeted with these beautiful fairy lights. and then you come into the main engine shed. Now they've got activities for the kid with all the railway tracks. They're playing classic season 4 Thomas, which is the best. You can have your photo taken with Rusty and Dusty down at the end there in the loco shed, or you can see Thomas and Percy and Diesel running around on the O-gauge track.
Yeah, really quick. Come on.
That's really
I send you the ticket.
So we've just been given a jug of water, guys. So what we're going to do is give Thomas a drink. Do you mind if I pulled it in, buddy? Is that all right? Thank you. Giving Thomas a drink.
Look, can I give you water?
for some reason. Skips it like that. Whoa, Skips!
That's because you made a big fuss of them. Oh, Josie B! Whoa! Just that bit young, I think.
You know, I've got to do a day's work.
Right, now we're going back.
Back again.
That's what it is. That was fun, wasn't it?
That used to be my holiday, that's what I used to do. So when you board the train, guys, you are given some little colouring packs. Whereas we've got Nina and Thomas there, and there is another colouring pack. And who's that engine? And we can see Thomas, Percy, Nina, and Diesel there. Yeah. So we're going to go down the end of the line and join us for the ride.
257 and Thomas together again anytime soon, are you?
No.